Hello, we will talk about our topic is the spiral of science theories. There are three members in our group. They are Li Xiangyuan, Wan Ziyuan, and Zheng Yongkang. First of all, let's talk about the definition about this series. It is a political science and mass communication series. In the study of human communication and public opinion, the theory that people's willingness to express their opinion on controversial public issues is affected by their largely unconscious presentation of those opinions as being either popular or unpopular. Here is an example. In a company, the managing director decided to increase their working hours from 8 to 10 and send email to all employees. Majority of them accept this time change, and few employees are not satisfied with this decision, but they cannot already to express their thought publicly. There are 4 reasons about the example. First one, they may feel unsupported by the other employer. The second one is fear of isolation, like transfer. The third one is fear to rejection by rejecting their personal opinion from the public while helping to avoid fights. The first one is they may try to save their job by suppressing or avoid the personal statement in public. Here are some contents. We will separate 6 parts about this series. The first one, I will talk about the background. The history is from a German psychologist established Newman proposed to the spiral of science theories in 1974. She conducted extensive research, including observations and surveys of the result of the 1932 general election in Germany and voter behavior in post-war German elections before developing their theory. The original is a study of the spiral of science theories is in the 1975 German federal elections. Research shows that voter approval rating do not change significantly in the months leading up to an election. However, in the week leading up to the election, polls showed that vote were more inclined to support the ruling Christian Democratic Union, Christian Social Union, while support for the Social Democrats declined. Unlimited elections results confirmed this finding, with the CDU-CSU winning with 48% of the vote and the Social Democrat with 39%. And the background of the spiral science series can be tracked back to the social environment and research in the 1960 and 1970. This period experienced many events of social change and political upheaval, which has a significant impact on social concepts and behaviors. There are 4 parts about the background. The first one is social change and political upheaval. The second one is rise of the fluency of the media. The third one is social normals and social pressures. The first one is the risk of social science research. That's the second part about the evolution. There are 3 contents about the evolution and development. The first one is intercultural analysis. Huang Puping cross-cultural testing of the spiral of science analyzed the result of telephone service conducted in Taiwan and the United States. The second one, social media context. Gerhan and Zhang conduct a study to examine whether social media use increase people's motivation to express their opinion on political issues. The third one is media environment. Individuals who viewed gay bullying as a significant social issues were more likely to comment on Facebook.
Okay, so this is my part. Next page, the important notation. Okay, so the first one is public opinion. The concept of public opinion, which denotes of demand or majority opinion on a specific issues within a society or community, is at the center of the theory. The second one is spiral process. According to the theory, when people form their own opinion based on what they observe in the general public, a spiral process takes place. The third one is fear of isolation. A key idea in the spiral of silence theory is referred to isolation. The fourth one is statistical. And the next page is the detail about how the series how to go on. Okay, the next page. Next page, it is. And this consumer about the series, including the opinion climate, public opinion, homogenization, social disability, self-censorship. Okay, next page. Okay, so the first part, the future development. The first is digital communication and series media. The adoption of social media and digital communication pathways has significantly altered how individuals express their opinion and understand the public viewpoint. Difference in culture and context. Western culture is probably used to developing and test the silent screen series. Future study could examine how the series applies in various cultural contexts and how cultural difference affect people's perceptions of public options and willingness to express disagreement. And the next topic, the next is intersectionality and benefit. According to the series, a person's willingness to speak up is influenced by both and modality and monetary one point. And first is power. The powers and the expresses of marginalist voice can both be taken into account by the series. The power of an individual utopical fragility and cross-cultural compression. Research comparing various society can shed light on the wider the silent sphere series is applicable across all culture or is more country specific. The last one is importance and in really life. Future research can examine the silent sphere series particular application in the area of social movement, political particulation, organizational communication, and public opinion formations. Okay, that's all of my part.
Question 5. In my opinion, the spiral silence theory offers valuable insights into how public opinion is shaped and how individuals navigate their social environment. It highlights the powerful influence of social pressure and the fear of isolation on people's willingness to express their views openly. Question 6. This is a real case. From the beginning, netizens riverside right and wrong through the editing of the video, attacked Ms. Anne and her family on the internet to the objective guidance of the harmful elements triggered by Ms. Anne's suicide. And finally, to the disclosure of the real case, the new public opinion once again reached a climax, which shows the process of the spiral theory of silence to the anti-spiral theory of silence. Okay. Okay, finish.
Okay, that's all our presentations. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Thank you.